All right, man, we back for a quick video. We putting everything, well, we ain't gonna put everything back together today. We're gonna put everything except for the intake. But we did get the computer. Only thing that was holding us up all this time, for the past week, maybe, was getting this computer back. We got it back. It's DOD deleted and it's tuned. You did. So I'm excited about that. I'm excited to see the power that I'm gonna get from this tune. But yeah, we got the computer back. So that's all we was waiting on. So I'm finna plug up these power steering lines, plug up the fan, put the water pump back on, and basically put everything back together. I gotta put some valve cover gaskets on here. I just put these on here, cover it up. Put the valve cover gaskets on, mount the coil brackets on, and yeah, so we're gonna get everything hooked up, and we're probably gonna get this first start in the next few days. You did, but we finna hook everything up right now. The last thing we gotta do is change the oil and get some antifreeze and all that. But yeah, so we finna hook this. We finna put this harmonic balancer on. Hook these lines up, yeah, all that good stuff. So stay tuned. I'll cut y'all back on when I make some progress. All right, so it's a couple days later, and my phone went dead while I was recording, but we got the coil packs on, we got the valve cover gaskets on. Everything looking good. We went ahead and put the alternator on, and I scratched up the alternator a little bit. Pulley here, harmonic balancer a little bit. I scratched up a few parts, man, trying to put this alternator bracket back on, man. I wish I would have thought it out a little better, but it's all good. You can't really tell unless I point it out to you. You did. But yeah, man, everything looking good. We finna put this intake on. Man, we'll be ready to start this thing. Shoot, I could start it today, but I'm not. But yeah, I'm ready to start it. I really didn't want to put this exhaust manifold back on here, man. I got the headers, they'll be here today, but I don't know how to put them on. So I think I'm gonna just take them to a shop, man. I've been trying to hit up mechanics again. Man, I don't know, man. So I ain't even gonna stress myself about it. I'm gonna just take them to the muffler shop. You dig? So we're gonna put this exhaust manifold back on. For right now, we got new bolts for them, so it's all good. They won't be on for long. But yeah, we're gonna put them on for right now until we get to the muffler shop. But yeah, we're finna put this intake on. You see, I already got the gaskets in place. I'm excited, man. I've been looking for reasons to not continue and to find some more stuff to put on here and do this and do that. But I literally done got everything I needed, man. At this point, I'm just prolonging the process. Just because it looks so good, you know what I mean? It looks so good, man. I know it's gonna look good when it's all put back together, but it just looks so good right now. You know what I mean? But yeah, man, we're gonna go ahead and put this intake on. I got some other stuff to do today, so I'm gonna put this intake on real quick. Yeah, man, I'll be ready to start this thing. All I gotta do is change the oil. I bought an oil pan. I bought an oil pan drain pan with me today. So I might go ahead and drain that oil today. Or I might not, I don't know. But nevertheless, we're finna put this intake on and I'm gonna cut y'all back on. All right, so got the intake manifold on, man. We almost there, baby. We very, 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 very close to being done, man. y'all see how this thing look. We cleaned the intake off. Intake and the alternator look good together. I mean, it all look great. I gotta polish them down. But that gunk shining stuff is gonna get all that shine. I ain't worried about that. Since the last videos, we put these new hoses on. We put this hose on. Lower radiator hose. A lot of new hoses, man. I don't think this one brand new. Yeah, we put a lot of hoses on. We put all brand new clamps on. All these clamps brand new. I got a new set. New set from Amazon. And every hose that came off got new clamps. All of them. I think I gotta change this one right here. That's it. Everything else, all of them got new clamps. All of them. Even the ones back there. All of them. I do not like them other style clamps. I gotta change this one out too, but I really don't even want to mess with it, but I might change it. Yeah, but all the rest of them got new clamps. All new hose clamps. I painted this carburetor too. I don't know if y'all seen the video on that. But yeah, man, everything looking good. Everything looking good. I done lost one of the intake bolts. So I want to find that before I get the bolt and everything down. Yeah, I done lost one of these intake manifold bolts, man. So I gotta find that before I get the bolt and everything down. But everything looking good, man. Everything coming together. Listen, do not mind these wires. All these wires that's showing, all these wires, I had to rewire this thing before, so that's why all these wires look like this. That's why all these wires look like this. I had to rewire that. But it's gonna start. I ain't tripping about that. It just look ugly. Trust me, when I get this bitch started and I get it to Beto, Wire by Beto, shout out to Beto, man. That's my guy. When I get it to Beto, all this shit gonna be cleaned up. Every wire on this thing. Gonna get new tubing for all this. Everything gonna be cleaned up. So that's the least of my worries. I got a whole lot of concerns right now, but these wiring issues is the least of my worries. Because I got Beto, you dig? So never mind all this stuff all these wires that's everywhere. If y'all was wondering, that's what had happened. I literally tried 100 different things to fix this truck before I found out what the issue was. And this is one of the things I did before I found out what the real issue was. But check it out, man. Everything look good. Cooling reservoir brand new. All these hoses brand new except for this one. I'm gonna clean that one up though. Check it out, man. I get the water pump back on, all the belts on. Man, this thing gonna look good. Beto do his thing over here, clean all this up. Man, this thing gonna look good. I'm super proud of myself, I ain't gonna lie. But I gotta find this bolt, man, cause I got some other shit to do. So I got my magnet out. I gotta find this bolt. And we ain't even gonna bolt it down. We ain't gonna even bolt the intake down today, cause I really don't got time. I got some other shit to do right now. But I just wanted to show y'all the progress, man. We got the fan in, but we ain't even got that bolted down. Oh yeah, harmonic balancer. So my impact, man, little impact I got from AliExpress or eBay, whatever one I got it from, it ain't strong enough to get this harmonic balancer flush down in there. You see, it still got a little bit more room to go. So I ain't bolt this fan down until I get that all the way flush in there. You feel what I'm saying? Till I get that all the way flush in there, I ain't gonna bolt this fan down. I just put it up in here real quick. But yeah, everything look good, man. Like, share, subscribe, man. I did 95% myself. Only thing I did do was take this intake off the first time. I paid somebody to take the intake off. Other than that, shit, I did everything myself, literally. So about 95% of this shit, man, I did it myself, man. I'm proud of myself, you dig? Y'all let me know, man. Let me know how y'all like it. Give me some advice. Give me some pointers. Yeah, man, give me some advice. Give me some pointers, man. We're going to end up, after we get this thing running, we're going to pop another cam in it. And then we're going to end up painting this thing. Painting it back to the original color. I just want something clean, you dig? Yeah, I lost that intake bolt somewhere up in here. But yeah, when I'm done, when I get this thing running, man, we're gonna send it to the paint shop. But yeah, man, I'm super proud of myself, man. I can't wait to get in here and crank it up. I feel real good about it, man. I think it's gonna crank up. I think I knocked this thing out the park, man. I think I done figured the problem out, and it's gonna crank up. Oh yeah, check this out. Man, you see I got these 4 spark plugs in down there, right? All of them in down there. I can't put them in on this side. So if I wanted to crank this thing myself, I couldn't, because I can't get these 4. I can't get the spark plugs on this side in. I don't know, man. I don't know how people who not left-handed are able to do this, man. That shit beat me, because man, I can't do it to save my life. Probably when I loosen this exhaust manifold up, probably when I loosen that up, it's gonna, I don't know, it probably become easy, I don't know, but while I was right here, I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. But hopefully when I loosen that up, put everything back together, I'll be able to put them in. But yeah, this how everything looking, man. Man, it look good to the motherfucker, man. Like, share, subscribe, man. Give me all y'all feedback, man. Let me know what y'all think about what I'm doing. Trying to see if I left something out, man. I don't know. But like, share, subscribe, man. We out.